So, how does it feel to watch a stream in silence for 2 minutes? This is how I feel for the last 3 days. Um, Welcome back, everyone. I'm kinda stuck. I mean, mentally stuck. I couldn't work the last 2 days because I'm stuck like this. Trying to start work, but stuck. I rather do anything else, but this project need to be concluded. And I'm just hopping around, looking at the scripts, looking at the stuff, and I don't know what to do. It's just like stuck. So I'm forcing myself once again. I promised myself yesterday to cut all the distractions and focus on work. And I'm going to just do that. So, how are you doing? So, the first thing I noticed that this is not July anymore. So, let's make a month report. Dang it. So, the reason I'm doing boring stuff because my life is boring. So, excuse me, princess. So today I should start working on the cutscenes. Before I was working on the description for the cutscene, and now I'm done with that. I have the full table. This is some kind of a system that I'm using to tell myself, hey, you weren't wasting your time. This is what I did in the last month. It doesn't feel much, but unfortunately, if each one of them take few days, then it's not all of them. Some of the days I do 6 or 7 of them. Some of the days I do 3 or 4 of them. Some of the days I take 3 days to make one of them. So and these are ranged from small bugs to systems. Like, look at that. Implement events export. This is just alone. So yeah, distraction. Kill them. Kill them with fire. Yeah, I feel now. I start to feel sick in the stomach. By the way, it just my whole body, mentally, physically, everything, doesn't want to work, and I need to find a way to kill it. I need to find a way to normalize it. I need to find a way to feel more comfortable with it. And one of the technique I'm using is talking to an empty audience auditorium with a camera, the YouTube world. I feel ashamed because I'm wasting 6 minutes doing nothing, and wasting everyone's time. But in the same time, maybe I should feel good. I'm wasting people time, don't I? No. So how to focus on work? Let's try to establish something. Focus on one fucking point. Get angry. Get motivated. Get afraid. Yeah, I watched Batman Rising recently, so excuse me, princesses. Um, I in the last 2 days thought a lot about what should I do next, and one of the things was to revive, not revive, readjust, re-implement the util system. I don't have it. I don't have the key to invoke it. Let's go and see. Hello. So this is the util system, which doesn't support Arabic because I'm ugly. I could turn this tool into tabs that take actions. No, not actions. Functions. No, not functions. Code blocks, classes, objects, I don't know, that turn this tool into a customized util for each game. So the games can introduce new tabs to these to test new things, and one of them to make it capable of changing my scripts in the cutscenes on the fly, like changing the variables, changing the time. So this is one of the ideas, but I'm not sure if this is an investment or distraction. The thing is, the cutscenes are not smooth. For example, I would rather to time this one a little bit differently by tracking the time and see which tick is preferable. So no, this idea is going to get cancelled because I don't want to spend time on implementing systems. I want to focus on the game itself. Thank you. I know you're getting thirsty, you're getting hungry, you're getting headache, you're getting stomach, you're getting stomach. How to pronounce that word? Damn it! You're getting everything. You don't want to work. Fuck it. You're going to work. Do you hear me? You're okay. So this idea has been cancelled. What else? So even here, I wrote this, but I didn't suggest the util. The util came up while I'm thinking. Actually, I already done this, but it doesn't matter. Should I count these minutes as work? Because I haven't started the timers yet. I don't know. So what's the ultimate goal? The ultimate goal is to take all these descriptions and turn them into cutscenes. So that's the goal. How to do it? Frick. By hiding my head in this, digging my head in the sand and cry, or something. Let me see. Let's start the timers. Let's watch the cutscene. The prologue. So let's start the prologue at 1. Let's take a note on the side screen. And maybe let's track the code as well. So this is the code for the prologue cutscene. Come on, move your ass to the other screen, will ya? Oh gee, I cannot see because it's too far and too small and too crabby and too complaining and too... Okay, great. So the first scene, I see it perfect. I don't mind waiting in there. So now I should be on CD3, CD4. We should have William is going to turn around, move -20 in 10 ticks, and play a paper sound. Okay. And CD5 he will flip and move 20 in 10 ticks again, and that's it. Alright. Maybe if we made him stand longer, So here it start at 220. We could manipulate the data and make him stand there a little bit longer because to return the papers and stuff. So let's make it going here. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to um, refine the cutscene. So let's make this one 60. So we're going to add 40, and this one is 65, and this one adding 40, 75. Save. Okay. And CD6, it will play a heartbeat. So here we don't want to only play a heartbeat. We are going to play a heartbeat and make him feel exhausted. I believe. Oh, the heartbeat has been played in 6. We could remove 6 and play it as 7 and make all the crap. So yeah, the way how the CB got invisible all of a sudden, I don't like it. So we're going to adjust that. So what we're going to do, prologue, at CD 06. We can keep the heart beating at 6. And at 7, let me think. Okay, at 6, at end, can I do that? Yeah, but that will add it at the end of the conversation, not the event. Can I do that? So how can we move time? CV move time 99 and 40 ticks. Let's move it 24155. I believe something like this. At CD7, it make the CB invisible. I don't like that. Let's remove it. And it move 99, 25, 24, 800. So let's make this one 800. So we're going to remove the CB, move CF. So here remove move CF. The effect is fine. And instead of all of a sudden the CP move and CB inv, remove CB inv as well. Alright, so let's play that again just to make sure. This is CD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will take longer. 6, 7. We will play with this one. Let's adjust the rest, then we will. 8, it will move left. It says move left, but it's actually move right, sorry me. Then it move right. Actually move left, look at that. I said move left, then move right. Well, I'm dragging everything left, so it is moving right, but dragging everything left, so fuck it, keep the naming, whatever. Then I'm going to create a traffic light. Oh, no, not CD9, CD10. This one. Yes, it is a placeholder. It need a frame and stuff, and it need to be drawn to complement the rest. I'm not sure if I should keep this one invisible or not. Usually I try to move the whole thing down to represent a pause. So maybe I should make it more invisible in more time. So if you look at the code in here, it became invisible. Why it says false? Well, it's visible false, but it's not invisible false. Anyway, yeah, this is kind of funny. Invisible false. It should be invisible too, but whatever. So you see the ticks in here 0, 15, and then 70. It's not long enough. It's not long enough. Even though 70 should feel long, because 70 multiplied by 16 milliseconds. Actually, minus 15 because it started after 15. 16. So it is less than a second. Oh, sorry. So increase the time. So let's add like 100 to it instead of 60. So in the file, in CD 11 time tick change 0, let's make it into 50. And let's try to make some artistic crap. Let's add the image, the 15, let's make it into 25. So let's make this one, no, let's make it 50, and 70, let's turn it into 150, 200, 190, 150. It will become invisible at 150, so 170, 80. At CD12, let me try to read the script and see what will happen. The whole thing will become invisible again. Then this thing will be invisible and it will move down. And then if some blur, camera move, and the character move, and there you go. Not bad. And CD13, I believe, is taking too long. So it become invisible again. Move down. And then 230, it move up. So I felt it's too long, but let's see. So see, 230. No, this is more than 230. But it should start moving at 230, but it take 80 tick to return. That's why it seems so long. But actually, it's not as bad I thought. Alright. So, the very last one. We will have another tired effect at CD14. Wait here, yeah. Why it took forever to start it at 200? Yeah, this one seems too long. Oh, you need to click on it. Okay. Yeah, it's look awkward, yeah. And the font is not returned. It look awkward. Not sure if I should leave it or not because I want it to be awkward actually in that moment. And that's it. That's all cutscenes. So let's try to improve them. So we got some data. We are going to improve 6. So 6 at the end. Boy. How to make end? Right end. Silly you. And sorry. 99 40 24 800. Save. At CD Zatter. At oh boy, remove move CF. Delete this one. And remove CB invisible, which is at 170. No. No, it's called CB invisible only. 175. Delete. Okay, then at CD11 0 make it into 50, 15 make it into 25, and 70 turn it into 180. Let's try the changes. Screw your headache, I don't care. I'm working. Let's give it a try and see how many crashes we will get because at CD6 is the first change. This is CD4. CD5, I forgot to add the 40 seconds, didn't I? Wait, I said yeah, this one, CD 5, I said I'm going to add 40 seconds. I believe I did that before I added to yep. Restart. Oh, I could restart it from the game itself, but whatever. It should be more seconds. So after this, it should take longer. Yep, it took a little bit longer. I feel I need to make it even longer, but no problem. See, it moved down instead moved up. It looked better, and now it should move up. And yeah, I feel better. Even though I can make it invisible and visible and blah 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 blah, but no, I didn't. So at CD11, we made a change. This is CD, I believe. I don't know. So the grid light after this one, the red light will move first, then this one will move down, and it will take longer. See? So yeah, better. I feel maybe a little bit more seconds than 180. We make it 190, but maybe. So and that's it. So this is for the prologue, but we are not done yet. The prologue, I want to click on F1 and take me to سيدي عبد الله. اي والله راح المدينة. اي والله. I want him to take me to CD51. And don't ask, dang it. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay. So if I click F1, we will magically going to jump to F51. So what was that? So F1, and now let's look at the transition. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. So we need to add a transition at the end of 51. For the transition. So this is the changes. So this is the timer of the end of the conversation. So we want to do Okay, Ahmad Baid. Wait. Yes, I was thinking to add a big title. Yes, I have a new concept called titles. Maybe it should be the first one called The Room. Hopefully people won't confuse it with the room of the movie or the theater or Tommy, what was his name? Tommy Crosswell? Something? Tommy something. Google it. I don't have titles or a title placeholder or title image or whatever, and I'm not 100% sure, not even 1% sure. Should I work more than talk? So we want a title. Oh yes. Let's make the cutscene first, then think about the flood of ideas and things I need to do. One of the things I need to do, let's write it down, is this thing. So what? Wait, where are we? Where? So we need to make the characters move somehow, but not only that, we need to use the shared function capability to move them. That's why I made these three new shiny functions to the call the ones in the shared functions and blah 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 blah. Um, and we actually made a test for that. So sorry. Um, before the copper, Mr. Copperton. Um, um, hmm. We have at 5. At 5, 100. At 1, 10. At 120. So the changes that are required, we are we are going to move the characters first. Actually, I can turn this one from a segment to. No, I can't. So first of all, we wanted to flip. But before we do the flip, let's make sure that this is the code that we can use. Fuck. Cannot I flip them outside of the conversation? Come on. I believe I do. I mean, didn't I, didn't I, No, I use the conversation to access the stupid thing, okay. Oh boy. I hate to do that. I really hate to do that. I mean, I really hate to do that. It seems like um hmm universal. What if I made a universal code for the current fucking conversation part? Yeah, let's do that. Add share function to invoke universal conversation current conversation BART script. The way to do that is kill myself. God, I don't have a lot of timers yet except the ones in the main menu when you click on the start the game, and it doesn't use share function actually, so thanks God. So this sucker is the first one we do have it in a script. So what we're going to do is is going to so instead of this, we're going to call CV only. We could even change it to make it more representable, and okay. Let's call it current conversation BART. Oh, CV, current conversation. So in here, so cursive move William $80 minus 1,000 0. No. Do you want to kill yourself? Camera. So okay. Imagine we have the two characters, and first of all, we're going to no, not so first of all, we're going to add 15. We are going to flip William. Then at let's say before William flip, so let's make flipping William at you know, 15. Timer move faster a bit. So then at like 35, and this one at let's say 70, and this one because this one actually this one so let's make this one 70 or 60. So because 80 plus 35, so at 40 William moves, and 40 plus 80 is 120, so let's make it 120 exactly. No, let's make it 85, and because the cover will take around 40, so let's make it we need to move the chat box, so at 0. Timer move, so what the fuck am I doing? Just adjust them. There is a way to copy the format, the brush thing, this one. I should use it. Move 800. So move CV, move T99 40 800. I believe something like that. What was the code the last time you wrote? Why simple? I don't know. Well, why 24? Oh, that's the time, maybe, I believe. No? Oh. Oh yeah, 24. Why 24? I don't know. So this 0. This at 15. Flip William at 35, and move William at 40, and add cover at 85, and I'm losing my eyesight. at let's say 1:30 and the conversation. We need a title, so we will make this one like add a title, remove the title. 170. Why 170? Come on. And then 180. All right. Great. Boy. Let's check the spaces. One space at a time. I should make a tool to do that. My life is filled with tools. So look at that. Stocking working for at last. Alright, seems fine. So let's click F1, click. Screw me. Do you think for a second that a code you write without testing will work from the first time? Are you out of your mind, Arvis? Nope, stuck forever. Oh, this won't work. You need to do something like... Oh, it didn't work at all. Segments. What the fuck did I do? Cursive. Oops. CV. So the only difference is this one. I wish if the flickery doesn't occur. Alright, so the tag is move 99. Alright, alright. Oh, we missed the actions. So let's start again. Let's take a look. So clicking F1, click, click. And that's it. Look at that. So now we need to make transition for these two as well. We could something went wrong. So so this one worked fine. Even though I thought William wanted to move in the same behind him like that, to be honest. I thought they will intersect, but hey, I like it. The thing is, the conversation started really fast, and I don't know why. Like the 40 didn't even. And it started before the cover. Maybe. Well, it should have some delay, but the cover didn't work perfectly. Something went wrong. So let's take a look again. Let's take a look again. Something went wrong, and I don't know what it is. So, did you see the flickering? The conversation didn't return because it should return in the second one. So what's going on? What's going on? So at the start of this conversation, we could, instead of doing this, is to move immediate everything and so let's consult this thing. So yeah, we have here let's the character move and everything, but what's bothered me a lot is maybe this thing shouldn't add the cover out, maybe. So let's remove the cover from here. Save. And save. And add the cover out from مية تحية إيطالية in here, no, here. So cover out, pose, and let character move in. Can I rest my head for 5 minutes? For 10 minutes? For 2 minutes? So let's stop the timers. And let's play some music. And there's some music in my head, I want to play it. Let's see. Anyway, no, wrong one. Are you sure this is the one? Maybe that's the first version? I remember it more epic, to be honest. I believe this is the wrong game. Yeah, this is definitely the wrong game. Yep, cannot find it. Maybe it's the right game, but I forgot that the music was that horrible. I don't know. Maybe, yeah. I remember the music was a little bit more sad. Yeah, Nintendo will block this video, screw them. I don't care. Oh, demonetize it or whatever. What the hell? I remember it was better than this. Is this like the old Time Machine game that was on the NES music? Maybe. I don't know. I don't want to download the ROM and turn the game on just to listen to the music. It's the same music, but that one has higher quality, if you get what I'm trying to say. Maybe it's the PC version, I don't know. Oh god. Is there a PC version? Someone is playing it with the piano.
Hey, YouTube fans, I'm Titanic Piano 14, and today I'm going to do Mario's Time Machine.
So, should we return to work? Wait. After the music. there is a gameplay video, but no, I want the theme. Yeah, definitely I remember the themes have high quality. Maybe I played a different game, I don't know. Whatever, let's break over, let's get on to work. Even though. So we need to add a cover. And to add a cover, before we add a cover, we need to make move immediate. So at the start of conversation, let's move immediate these guys at the start. So what we're going to do, we are going to use start move immediate timer, move him out of the screen. Let's take a look. Maybe this isn't enough. If we take a look at the conversation when oh, it's in the event, or even though it's so it is negative 300, 172, 2, start, move I, William, minus 300, 172. So we are going to add these guys. We're going to add these guys at the start in here. As no space, Mister. So at CD Abdullah 1. Let's add 30. Cover out, which is he, haha. Yeah, let's reverse the cover. I need to make a good cover. Good cover. Cover. Forget cover. Where's the cover? At 30, we add covers. One, and negative. At pause, so we will add more time, and then we will make the characters move. So around 80. Move original timer, let's say in 30, and move original William. Let's William make him slower, so that's 40. And let's do that. So at start, oh boy, add 30 and 80. So at 30, we will add a cover. So let's call it cover out. And move characters. So we have move characters and add out. At CDA6. Uh-oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So at A6, get in, but we will remove the cube at A9 or A10. So the freaking cube. The freaking cube. Do we have the freaking cube? La, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Wow, 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 wow. Why the file has not been opened? Come on, why are you too slow? Sometimes Windows 10 screw with me. I love it. Hmm. Hmm. Talk about a mistake. Why it's part of the background? Why it's not part of the object or something? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Are you telling me I need to add all the objects as part of the backgrounds? That doesn't make sense. Hmm. That doesn't make sense a lot. Mm, That's A7, no, 8, 9. 8, I believe. 8, no, left, no, right. And the detail to the create image. Okay, buddy. Create image, view, image scale, float, forth, image P. P is the image that I want to control. We have only 3 in this one, so it is red 0 to 5 to 0. This is the scale value. This is the start. I believe position is 0. Set image, image name, set location. Label transition is not item, well it's no image. Set disability translation images. But this is the label of C, set G image. This is the image name and the image names. We are drawing it and we are drawing it at draw 2 or draw 1. I'm not sure, so let's go to conversation of C and let's go to this is the tokers. This is the effect of the toker, so it is part of the Menu component, the menu component depends on the GUI. No? Let me take a look on the code. So if we're going to the menu component, the conversation you see is a menu component. So let's go and take a look on that. Let's close all the crap, search for the role. And this is for the font. Dang it. This is the font. I don't care about it. We want to draw what this is the draw. AVE mouse start dragging menu component. It's label is printable, so it's draw string. Damn it, texture. Well, the texture doesn't care. You said the texture doesn't care, so let's test something. So what if we create a character? So we added these, create image, characters, because we position 0. X, Y. So X is around the middle, so it's around 650. But we wanted really secure 100 minus for the image scale. Let's make it into 0 point. 01. Translate. Let's make it into red. Was red 0. White 0. Well, move them. Image mufti. Okay. Let's make it 1 for now. Let's make it 1 for now. 1. So testing. Let's testing. 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 Oh, fuck me. What happened? What happened? I don't care. So, excuse me for talking to myself for the last 10 minutes. Just trying to do whatever it takes. And I click save here, but this was empty, and that's why So it shouldn't click save here. I should click save here and save here and save here and at here. Stomach, stop it, please. Stomach, please stop it. Okay. Eh, eh, eh. Hmm. Did it fail? It might be. Maybe it should be 0, but hmm. Oh wait. Where is your positioning? You positioning? You positioning? GR. Did I make it too small? Small? Maybe. Oh, get killed. We do 140. Maybe it's too small that I cannot see it. Let's make it obvious. Oh. 5, 5, 0. 10. Careful. Save, save, save. When I click on this, I should add 0 to the number, so let's do that. In events, when clicking on a timestamp, add its value to the text bar, to the text box. But for now, how did I replace it without? Yeah, because I loaded to the memory. But oh, yeah, because I closed it. Yep. So I can load any kind of images. That's what this is all about. It's funny it was so small when I made it into only half. Let's remove this ridiculousness. Alright, over here. So in the script design, in the events, when you click on this sucker, you make this sucker event man ID, event man ID, text is equal to event man list. Alright, so that will prevent us from fucking ourselves when we click on save. After we click on one of them, even though we don't want to save, but it's let's test it before we say hallelujah. So ta-da. Next What we need to do is to edit the file and add the cube and the character. We could make all the images in one sprite, but I don't know why this is happening. I need to find a way to reduce this crap. Smaller tests and smaller games doesn't take all this kind of memory. It's ridiculous. And this is not even a full game. I mean, yeah, it has more than 600 dialogues and stuff, but what's going on? So for now we can add the images. I want to add all these guys. Hmm. Great. Oh, I cannot add all of them, can I? Do I want to draw it at least? Yeah, let's try draw it at least. Mm-hmm. I surely don't want to do make an a partial image. I don't know. So what? No, seriously, what? What do you want to say? I'm listening. What are you doing? This is a fucking placeholder. Just add it, damn it. Save. So we need to create a cube and we need to take a break. So new, Let's make it 12. So, let's play some music. Even if it is inappropriate, I don't care. I don't think these are the direct title. Yeah, these are not direct title. What the hell? Um, Fuck me. Can't I do anything right? Maybe if I say because deep in the code, really? Is that the theme name? Mm-hmm. Is this the one? This is not the one. Man, I can't even play music correctly. What the hell is wrong with me? I cannot find the soundtrack. This is the one, but this is the gameplay. So the name is correct, but I want the soundtrack. Soundtrack. Theme, whatever. Please, let it be. This is not the one, but this is one of the best themes as well, so screw it. I'll put it here. Is this a remix? It seems a little bit stretchier. Yeah, this is a remix. But not bad. Not bad at all. I love it. I'll take a walk. I might take some time. listen to my brother this one. It's damn heavy. Alright, I'm back. I know the music is good and everything, but I'm afraid I cannot work with it. I'm sorry. So let's get on to work. I might play the official themes. Where is the list? I mean, with but I'm going to lower the volume. I'm going to lower the volume a lot because I cannot just focus. Alright, wait. Yeah, I might not be able to focus like this. This is too much. But we will give it an attempt. I mean, there's no way I can code like that. It's impossible. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. So we have a cube. We need to create a cube in the middle. And we need it to be oh fuck. This is position 0 of the image. 700 minus 40 is oh fuck. Position X, Y, scale, transparent. Oh, it doesn't move. It doesn't move. Okay, fuck me. It doesn't move. 700 minus 40. The scale is 1. The transparent is full. No, it's empty. 0. So, and then image move T position 0 700 40 and 50 tick and trans 1. I hate I hate to see the code like this. Okay. So this one. So wait a second. Let's close this. So cover out both, but character move, so we don't do so this in 6 we are going to actually so in here at 6 at around 20 create cube and yeah, so here we have 20 create cube. And then next we need to move the cube to William at 9. Okay, so yeah. So at 9, at like 10, plus system. Fuck me, what the hell happened? Oh yeah, the pipeline. Oh, sorry. Images. This one. Excuse me, princess. What the hell happened? Save. Right. So we can press F1. Ta-da! Hello? What happened? I love them. I don't want to curse too much. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. These are the objects. These are the actions. Conversation. Okay, I'll calm down. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't start the conversation for some fucking reason. Um. It didn't start. What the fuck? So, this code is fucked up. Hmm. Hmm. Don't you love this shit? Um. um, mm, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. What's wrong? Come on, wasting time now. I hate myself. I don't know what's wrong. Let's remove the fucking cover for now. Okay. Oh fuck, 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 what? of T. What the fuck? Oh, they end the conversation before William arrived. What the fuck? Give me a second. 170. That's why it cancelled. 40 plus 80 is 120. It didn't have enough time. I gave it a gap. 40 plus 80 is 120. So let's no, fuck me. Let's make this one 160. 200. Didn't save. What the fuck? Do you wanna fuck with me? 160. I love this one. What the f- I know there's something. It seems the segment doesn't work in the way that I intended. For some reason, it starts moving later on. So here. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I need to focus a little bit. What the fudge is going on? So, we have a sequencer. When the action begins and the action call, it's one action, not a list of action. And we have an empty object for now. We could send objects later on, but for now it's empty. And my head wanna explode. It just alright. Alright. And in here, when the tick arrive, am I missing a cycle? I'm afraid this is +1. That's my fear. This is my fear. But this is not the serious problem. The serious problem is why the okay, calm down. Okay, I'm getting sick of testing this every time, so let's go to the main menu and start from 2. Okay. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. When I made this one into 160, so it was 130. For some fucking reason, and we will test that now, you will see that William moved earlier. No, it's still what? Oh fuck! Oh, calm down. Okay. Why? What's going on? Okay, let's copy the stamps, the timestamps. Program, fuck off. I don't want to see you. Why it before it didn't cache and now cache? Because the ad cover, right? No? What's going on? Oh. So the cycle will never end like this. So we fucked ourselves. This is number one. This is number one. I fear we missed the start action. Someone need to be killed. No, seriously, someone need to be killed. So we already have a fucked up somehow. Hmm. Hmm. Why? So was the cycle the count section? So because of the error and the time, it didn't add the cycle. That's why it doesn't end. It was working fucking fine before I removed the fucking fuck. What the hell? Why? Why? Move T. Where's move T? Where's the fucking move T 229? No, it's in the game. I know. I study you. So this one. But these are timers. Fuck off, please. So it is another thread. So the other thread is in here. So this line. This line goes to 229 and yeah, I know. This line. So this line we cannot check it because it's so because we removed them. What if I reduce this timer into half? So this will be 30 and 40. What if? Because I'm not sure what's the real cause of the problem, and it's killing me. It will look silly. I could decrease this into half as well and see. Because I'm already wasting a lot of time trying to figure out what the fuck is going on. And can I continue, please? There's a lot of crap I need to do. Why to get stuck in here? That's what scares me the most. And hello? Hello? So at least it didn't crash, but this 35 into 5, it seems unrealistic. So let me check the ad segment. Timer. What the fuck is going on? So it's just a tick. It's just a fucking tick, okay? So I believe it's half of the event tick because it need two, maybe, I'm not sure. I believe because this sucker speed is different. 16. Wait a second. Oh. Oh. No. Fuck me. Let's go to the event class. That's if you can find it. And let's go to the run. And let's copy this one. And here let's write event. And in the fucking timer, because someone need to be killed, and segment timer, damn it's fucking fast, and damn it's not dead, and damn fuck me, and damn what the fuck. Imagine if it was a stupid space or something. because this is a hard-coded segment timer. So 0, 1, and 2. Why it is 0, 1, and 2? Because at the main menu we made 0 and 1 and 2. So it became 3. And it should be 3 here. Alright. Four. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is 4. One of them is fucked up. That's why. 3, 2. Now I get it. One of them fucked up. And because it's fucked up, so a 0. It didn't count. Wait a second. It didn't count. We didn't count. Hey, it skipped 0 for some reason. Because the tick immediately ticked down. So never start at 0, kids. Never start at 0. Never start at 0. Jesus. Unless if I check before I tick. But that's ridiculous. How much time did I waste to discover that? Only God knows. Do you know what does this require? Celebration. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So, yeah, there's an error, whatever. Let's focus one by one. So first of all, I'm going to the timer manager, close this fucker, and let's take a look again on it. So, yeah, the theme of the music is way too fast, sorry. Can't focus with that. Let's play the usual music. Sorry, I really love to change, but yeah. So what's going on? So let's return the normal speed because I didn't like the double speed. So this one is 80. This one at 60. And let's let him start moving a little bit faster. 38. I didn't like the hijack. And here we will add a cover. So why the music stopped? Here we will add the cover. So So let's make it, yeah, for now. Oh, no. Save here. Let's see it with the cover. Oh. So we have a bug in here, but I don't care about it for now. We screwed the code. We screwed the code. Let's return it to 40. What the hell? No, seriously, what the hell? What the hell happened? It was 40, right? It wasn't like 45 or something. I could return and watch the video. Let me check something. I believe the timer's fucked up in a way or another. I fucking give up. The cover is not in the right time, everything is not in the right time. I hate everyone, including you, dear listener. So let's start at 50. Is it like not like each segment affect the other or something? Why? 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 Why me? Why me? So at event timer 30, it's fucked up. I believe timer with 1M. Okay. Add at 50. Add the event called move CB. Move original 99 30. Fifty plus 30 is 80, so let's make this one 85. Alright. But why Tamer and didn't move? I believe they didn't move, did they? Like you didn't see them move inside the scene. See? They just immediately move, so because I didn't do. So here goes start, move. Let's write it here. So start, move I, timer, negative 172. Start. Move I William 1 200 172. Didn't work! Okay, calm down. Um... I hate myself. Um... 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 Maybe they move, but too fast. So to test that, let's make it 4,000. 4,000. Or I can make the cover immediately reveal to see them moving. No, they just appear. Ah! But this guy get flipped. Why? You think? Do you want me to kill you? Do you want me to kill you? Yep, you want me to kill him. So it is a shared CV, but let me try something. I have some doubt that I should use, but start should check both. But let me do this. So let's do it in a way like start. Even though I adopted, but I'm desperate. I'm desperate to do anything. But the camera eye is working fine. But whatever. Whatever. Um... To be honest, the timer seems inconsistent when I try to change the values and add different timestamps. It's killing me. Hopefully, it won't whack the whole. Yeah, it didn't work. Well, this thing worked, but because me. What the hell was that? Ah, I need a break before I get a break. So, we fix this problem. So, for some reasons, the start conversation act 1 doesn't move the characters to behind the screen. So I don't know why this is not working. It's killing me in many ways. And the cube is fucked up. We need to fix the cube later on, but we need first we focus on this problem. So let's take a break. And this music's killing me. Everything's killing me. I might call it a day, to be honest, but no, better to keep working. I need to take a walk before I explode. $2 of work. What were I doing? What did I do in these 2 hours? I don't believe it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. should be fucking easy. Why didn't it work? Yeah, I'm still here. Oh god, get up. Get up. Get up. You need to walk. Get up. I need to debug and check the conversation start. Why it's stuck. I haven't played Layton for years. I finished. I was trying to unlock the passwords at the end of each game when you complete everything, and I unlocked like 2 or 3 of them. And you need to finish all the puzzles to get that one. I wonder what can I do with them. So I was trying to do all of that before I play the last version. I don't know if there's another one after it or not. I didn't play that game yet because I believe it's related to the passwords. There's something going on about the war and everything, and the artifacts. So there's like a hidden big secret between all the versions that you need to finish everything to share. I need to return back and see what the heck is going on before it becomes so. I'm sure on online everyone knows if you read about it, if you search Google, you don't need to take even 5 minutes to find out what the heck is going on. But I prefer to find it by myself. And am I going to leave or not? Yes, yes, I'm leaving, leaving. Time's up, damn it. Alright, we're back. We made some connection. We made some calls. Oh god. Let's see. So let's hide the timers. The good news is I almost finished 4 hours of work. If you don't count the break times. So what the hell is going on? Why the start doesn't move the characters back? So we use move camera immediate and we use move immediate. And for some fucking reason, either move immediate is not called or the move immediate is not working. So let's take a look by going to the game INI, because this is a specialized function made for the conversation system, this conversation system. So here we will check if this fucker is going to work. And it works. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay. So their location is negative 300. What the hell? It worked. Location. So the first one only moved. And this one is William. So this one location is minus 300, 172, minus 300, 172, and the next one is 1000. So talkers 1000. So at around tick 0, let me guess. I know why. Or maybe not. Maybe the stupid thing when it started the conversation, you see this one update the location. And this is the start action. I believe that's the problem. It gets updated immediately. So the only way to solve this, unfortunately, is to move it to the events, because the location will get updated, and that's what's make the flickery as well. Damn it. I give up. I give up. I give up. I give up. The thing is, I could remove that, but that would require me to adjust the original position every time I start a new conversation. So either this or that. So let's do this. So we will add at the start of the conversation one, at time 0, we tb initialize, and we're going to do that. See, you just need to be clear-headed. Actually, before you say any fucking stupid thing in life, let's test it first, and if it works, then say that. Because it might not work in the first place, so let's go and let's check. Boom, shakwaka. Cover. Talk about fucked up. See? First of all, remove this ad. Skip. Okay. Boom. Let's see. Nice. The chat box appeared way too fast, so let's slow it down. First of all, I want to remove the message for the timer, so it is in the share function. Timer. So here, no. Sick timer. Alright. Here we say move characters. Actually, I want to delay it a little bit, so let's make this one 60, 80, 150, and add the cover earlier, 30. So actually add the cover a little bit, so let's make it 100, and let's make this one 35. Great. So instead of checking and testing the Act 1 every... No, we need to test Act 1 every time. Fuck me. Fuck it. So this is the end of Act 1. Nice! See? Yeah, I didn't translate it into Arabic yet, so only the English translation available. Now, we have at 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the fudge is that? So let's take a look. Actually, it was, yeah. So here, create image, and then move. I see. So the moving image is unlike the characters, is additive moving. So let's close this. So we need to move it vertically. So 140. What's the script? What's the script? Move T position X Y time. X Y time in 50. 1. Save at 9 and 0. No, actually it's a little bit, so it's like 50 0 20. Save. Save. So let's start from Act 1. Great. Alright, why it started far away? It is 700 by something, not 1000 by something. So let's go to the event. And it's huge. What the hell? So let's reduce the size before it's kill anyone. All of these are BNG, which I kinda don't care now. Let's reduce its size like 40%. How large is this thing? 150, 140, yeah, still huge. Let's reduce it at least by like it's still huge. Nah, but better. Oh yeah, you stop. But wait. I drank so much coffee and so much soda that I'm feeling a little bit sick and I can't drink anymore. And maybe because I'm hungry as well, which making things worse. I might stop the stream in 15 minutes or something, but you never know. For now, let's focus on work. So we have at 6, we want to start at not 700, but let's say 450. 350. Yum 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 yum. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. So okay, so it's around. Let's make it 400, and let's descend it by 200. Yeah, my calculation are really bad. I'm sorry about that, but position X, Y. So let's make this 200. What are we doing? I forgot to change the language. Okay. When I get the objects a little bit bigger and look more official, it will be nicer. But let's add a little bit to the Y and a little bit to the X and a little bit. So this one 445 and no. This 90. 20. Let's continue. Where was the table? Telalele, yeah, this one. And move the cube to William. Let the cube go away at 10. Oops. Move the cube out. Before we do that, let's copy this. First of all, let's make it like 12. So we want to make it disappear. Minus 1 and 40. I don't have an acceleration way to do it, but for now, yeah, I should play with acceleration. So let's test it. Don't All right. It seems it moved a little bit too far, so we can reduce that by make it like almost half, 70. Next, attempt to blur the backgrounds in before showing it all of a sudden. So we have here we changed actually the map. So instead of the changing of the map at 10, at 11 we could do that. So what we're going to do, we are going to remove map change from the conversation part, CD10, CD11 event. Oh my god. No, I just no. Background effect start, map change, background effect end. Oh, I feel headache, stomach ache, everything. So to do that, we need to tune in the music a little bit. The music is too active. I need to focus a little bit. Thank you. It's actually towards at the end. What's next? Oh great, it's even more crazy music. This one. So we are going to change this one and play this one. No, this one is even more crazy. I'm sorry, I'm playing with music instead of here, this one. Alright, so where were we? So we need to where's the green line? Here. Okay. Let's take a look on the older events. Save. Oh boy. Oh boy, 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 oh boy. This one. The thing is, I want a different effect this time. Because this effect is used when William is feeling tired, but we want a different effect for the room. When the room is changed, we want different effects. So I need to dig a little bit. Oh god. This is the best time to run away. And the effects again. Yeah, right. my friend. I haven't seen you for a while. Fuck you, man. Oh god. Pass. So we have passes. Okay. So I remember I made a script to add passes on the fly. So let's take a look. Yep, look at that. If XEV bass at 0. So we have one bass. Do we have bass 1? We don't. Let's take a look on the fiasco, shouldn't we? I haven't dealt with the effects for a while, and I have a huge smile because I'm going to fuck everything in very few seconds. So let's take a look. Should I save and make a backup, because I truly am afraid I might screw up big time. uh, I'm getting a little bit tired, and I really don't wanna do anything that might make me regret and delete my last hope of finishing everything that doesn't exist. So, effect CB. What does effect CB means first? So it is adding effect to the conversation part. So the effect we are adding is blur 2. Wait. We have blur and we have blur 2 here. But I don't see a blur 2 file. Let's. Are you sure? Yeah, blur 2. Give me a fucking second. I remember in the game I add them, but I'm not sure. Give me a fucking second for real. So we have an effect data that's related to the effects AR. So we made a system for that before, and it took me a while actually. So light is fixed. It's part of the game core. Whenever I make one, I always add one. Yeah, look at that. It's part of FXINI in the game INI. So they are fixed based on the game. So Blur 2 is Blur 1. It's the same file, just like hey. And there's no difference. Ah, so I can make the blur of the character different than the blur of the background. Okay. So we can memorize different blur on the screen. Okay. Damn. What the fudge did I do to make this work? So here I registered blur 2 for the conversation part and the normal blur for the map. That's why the tokers have different blur than the background. I love it. I really love it. But this is not the problem. We want a different effect on the screen. And I don't think these variables are enough, but I can try the second pass. To be honest, if I wanna really make different blurs and different effects and play with the game, I should fix up the test project and test them there, and instead of coming here and test them every time. That will save time. But for now, let's Google some stuff. So mono game effect FX screen not melt but wave wave. Right. This is a time-consuming process to find the right effect. So this guy wanna search for something like this is a very complicated. Well, kind of like this is not the wave, but oh wow, yeah, this is more than one bass and like at least 10 variables maybe. I don't know. Oh my god, I spent like years trying to get a distortion shader work in the right way. Yeah, I'm really bad at this. I'm not sure what the hell is this guy doing. I believe he's just printed another image. Why it's taking forever, and he rotated it or something. It worked, really? Um. So yeah, but this is not using effects, but God. Let me try to decipher what the hell is going on. So yes, the game initialize. He made vectors and lines. And he added a fucking 1080 lines. Wait a minute, line? What is line? Like 2 points? What the Here we add a rectangle for each line of image we want to wobble. I'm not sure which is more horrific. Is doing this by the processor or do the shader, but definitely this one is more horrific because this code is working in the fucking processor now. But let me keep it up and see what the heck is going on. And I need to use the bathroom, damn it. I mean, I know the update and the guys and everything is doing their job, but to recycle 1800 rectangle with the normal thread all the time is a big no in my code. But the first of all, I don't know from where did he get this class. And I believe I can, if I understand the physics behind this, I can convert it into an effect. But there's even easier way to do that, is to find another code that uses effect. So, oh fuck, why is taking forever to tell? It's an image anyway. I cannot understand shit now. Whenever it says world view project, I know it's a 3D crap. And here I get immediately lost, completely lost. Yep, it's use quad. So he says something and then he says he fixed it and that's it. So, I need to learn to do effects for 4D, definitely. But I wonder what was his mistake. The thing is, I don't have 3D cameras. I don't have this crap. But it seems I need to improvise or something. Wait a minute, he put the code but he didn't put the shader? Oh, yeah, he didn't put the effect itself. Deleted. Um, 2D HLSL wave effect. You can use custom shaders like this. Hello, texture map sampler. Using these guys. I forgot what's the name for these things. Um, and I believe you cannot define textures anymore inside in monogame. Of course. This is just not a wave effect more than what do you call it? Um, yeah, this is like a explosion effect or something. Each color component is distortion. I, I hate myself. I need to read a lot and fix my. Yeah, this is crap. The thing is, the second that I close the camera, the second I'm going to run away like an idiot and never return. And of course, um, I wonder if the network is working or not because I connected some cables and someone, so maybe no, the network is working. So I haven't opened Facebook for years. That's why it's slow. Um, so this is XNA. Actually, when I was working on developing my effect system, I seen code in HLSL that returned to 1993. I'm not fucking kidding. It's written for different GBA, but the concept for the reflection and the vertices return back to that here, and people still using the same code. So not a lot of people are really good in making original codes for the shaders. Now let's take a look. I wonder if you have results. But this is XNA4, even if it's 2012, 17, 12, what the hell is going on? Yeah, XNA4 stopped supporting it around 2012 or 13, so, yeah. The problem is there's a little bit difference between XNA and monogame in the shaders, but hopefully I can reuse these. Anyway, I'm going to use the bathroom and do stuff and check the code.